Yeah.
I have started recording, so I hope that it works. I have not recorded it before, but this is my first
Yeah,
try.
it's so as you record, after the meeting gets over, it will give you the download immediately.
Okay.
It's easy.
Yeah, it will give you a link.
Perfect. Perfect. So at the moment we are 13 participants. Like I said, I am using the gallery view and I can see all of you, almost 4 on each line. Okay. Right. So you can choose. If you're on laptops, I think you can see them. Some of them are not sharing their video, but that's okay. The objective, as we all know, we have all volunteered for this purpose of creating this life after life, a template which maybe eventually we will go on the portal for Manoj's portal. And the way I saw it was a single place, a repository of everything. Like Rahul has shared his black box, which is quite comprehensive. I don't know how many of you have actually gone through what Rahul sent across.
Yeah, I've gone through, and it is quite comprehensive. Yes.
Yeah. And
in fact, it covers everything.
Correct.
Starting from the doctors, the insurances,
yeah, I've seen that as well. Looks good.
Contacts, who are the Spocks. So it is a good format, very good format.
Yes, yes.
So, so do you want to share that? Actually, unfortunately, I didn't get time to go through it.
Sure. I can do the, I can share it. Give me a moment. I think I have to open it first on my desktop. Does anyone have it handy right now?
Which date he shared it? Which
I have it, Harry.
It was on Zoom. Sorry, it was on WhatsApp.
Yeah, which day he shared it? Like 2 or 3 days back. What is the date?
Date. Rahul, do you remember?
2 days back. 2 days back.
Yeah.
2 days back. Okay.
Hey, I got it. You want me to share?
Yeah.
Yes, please. That will be nice. Thank you.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, I'm just sharing that from WhatsApp only.
So you need to make yourself presenter, right?
Yes, yes.
So you guys are able to see that? I'm just start sharing the screen now. Yeah, I think Harry, you have to give access to me. Host disabled participant screen sharing.
Harry, you have to make. You have to go onto the list, participant list.
Yeah.
There'll be an option with Mr. Kulkarni's name as to make him as host.
More. Let me try. Make host. Okay.
Participant.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Venkat, did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got
Okay.
it. Yeah.
Oh, good.
1 second. Let me open this. This is the one, right? We were looking for.
Yeah. So your screen is.
It's coming. Not yet come.
Yeah. Coming up.
1 second. Download and open.
Personal black box. Okay.
Yeah, visible now.
This is the one. Correct.
We'll go through this one or like once again. One
Yes.
second, guys.
Yes, Venkat. You could browse through it. Anyone who has not gone through it will get an opportunity to see all the content what is here.
Yes, please go through each page one by one quickly.
1 second. I'll just save to my desktop so that it will be easy.
Okay, Venkat, I think you have to select open with or something. By I think nowadays by default it opens in browser, the PDF.
Yeah. Now it is, I think. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yes, better now.
Perfect. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, better, much better.
Yeah. So this is what it is. It starts with personal details.
Contact details, yeah.
Yeah. After that, some ready reference like family, doctor info, all this. Basically, the doctor related this thing. Plus also tax consultant name, phone number. Then comes financial advisor, banker, even stockbroker. So okay, this is about the agent name for her.
Insurance.
Yeah, insurance section. Then even lawyer, power authority, earnery, and best friend name also it is there. Then comes the documentation part. Basically all type of documents, Aadhaar card number, passport, PAN, driving license, everything it covers. Marriage certificate and all those stuffs. Then insurance policies, EPF account details, locker case, will. Then details of the insurance policies, whatever the number of policies, that also we can see here. Yeah, this is continuation of that insurance thing only. Then comes bank accounts, multiple bank accounts, including saving, current, PPF, EPF, everything.
Sorry, Venkat, I just wanted you to stop at the insurances. I mean,
Yeah.
this is open for all. If you have any specific comments that like, for example, in the insurance policies, I wanted to see if what is the coverage for in case of a passing away of a person, what would be the maximum coverage the nominee would get? Rahul, is that covered in this, or is it something that we could think of adding?
If you look at the headings given at the top, it includes name of policyholder and name of nominee. Is it audible to you?
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Rahul,
Then
we can
you have the name of the policy, the type of the policy, and the policy number, date of start, and then you have a column of sum assured.
Okay.
So I think that answers your question.
Right. Yeah.
How much
Yes,
is the policy?
I'm assured.
And anything else, if you want to add, you can always add in that remarks section. Now, one thing that I would like to mention over here is what we can do is we can add one more sheet regarding details of how, in case of death, we need to go ahead with claiming the policy, the sum assured. I think that is the page that we can add over here.
Perfect. I think that should be added because the actual trouble of claiming is humongous. I mean, the person will pass away, he'll have no worry of it, but the people left behind will have to run around. So that I think what we could do is have an FAQ section, and one of the questions would be how to claim insurance policies.
Actually, it should
Correct.
come for everything. Like, for example, if I hold stocks, how can somebody claim those stocks? Like, I mean, I don't know the process now since we are discussing this.
Yeah.
So we could add those columns as well.
Yeah.
No, in case of stocks, it is quite simple. That one just needs to access the broking account and then transfer the ownership of the account to your name.
Like, for example, if you have physical documents, right? I have mutual funds where I don't have an online account where somebody has to go, right? And I'm sure a lot of people might have that, right? Online, it's easy, but somebody, if you have physical accounts, then you probably might have to go. What is the process?
Yes,
where to go?
but nowadays I think RBI has made a rule. In fact, even SEBI has made a rule that all the physical documents now need to be put in the DMAT format. They'll not allow any physical documents after, I think, next 1st January 2021. They have a rule for a long time.
Let us all go through this personal black box first, because there are many points enumerated. So as you can go through it, you will come out with your queries, and that can be jotted down and we can work on it.
Yes, that makes sense.
Yeah.
One of the points I have noted is
page.
Correct.
Yeah.
So I will add a FAQ section where we can add how to. That is the point that I gathered so far. Let's continue.
Yeah. Add the FAQ section. That's better.
Yeah.
Can you go to the documents section?
Yeah, this is it is.
Yeah. So I think in
Yeah,
the
where are
document section, yeah, I think that stored it is not there for the other documents, right?
No,
Just go.
the previous page, if you look at it, it is only asking the document number. So like you can say
Okay.
the Aadhaar card number of self, spouse, child and child too. So it is nothing but just a ready reckoner of what is the document number. And then on the next page, probably we will be storing all these documents together in a file or a folder. So the next page asks us as to where it is stored.
where is it kept? Where are the
Yeah,
documents kept?
yeah, that's what.
So that's important, because the person will have to look for where are those documents, where are the files which can be accessed and the claims can be made.
Correct.
Yes. So I think in the above section itself, if you make a stored it as well, because we don't expect all the documents to be together. Uh, you know, here
Maybe
itself,
in document details page itself, if we can add a column and say where are they stored, where are they kept.
correct, correct.
Here
And the
it's a
suggestion
one more column,
YouTube
one
link,
more column probably.
Yeah, add one more column. So
Yeah,
that's the suggestion I have.
yeah.
Perfect, perfect.
and also the suggestion of a YouTube link is good because it is really helpful if in a that kind of state of some loved one passing away, if there's a ready reckoner of how to do this, how to do this claim and how to do the transfer of ownership and all that, a YouTube video would be a real helpful link. So that suggestion which just now came in is a good one.
Okay, okay. Nitin, if I understand correctly, you are making notes on the chat window. Is that correct?
Yeah. I'm not making the complete notes. I'm just giving suggestion because so many people were talking. I didn't want to barge in between, so I posted my suggestion in chat window. If you want, I can make a on the run now onwards the pointers, whatever everyone is suggesting. I'll do that.
Perfect,
And
perfect,
I'll
Nitin.
post it here.
Thank you. That will be good because then we can just copy it and put it on a Word document at the end of a call.
Sure, Harry. I'll
Thank
do
you,
that.
mate. Thank you. Okay, please continue, Venkat.
Yeah. That's about the documentation details. Again, we can club these two, I guess, like what suggestion come from the team members, right? We can club these two by adding one more column for stored, so that no need for this separate section, I guess.
Actually, if you look at the headings in the document name, they are a bit different. Because then the first page of document asks you only about the documents like your Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID card number and all that stuff. Whereas the second page asks you about your investment details, your real estate investments, your property loan papers, your locker keys and all that stuff. So rather than clubbing, definitely it's a good suggestion, but then go through it in details, because then certain things cannot be clubbed together, I feel.
Okay.
So right now we have just made a note of it. So let us discuss it further.
Yeah. Makes sense. Okay, keep going.
Yeah, one sec.
And we should be mindful that this call has got a limit of 40 minutes only because it's a free Zoom call.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
we should optimize our time for these 40 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So next one is about the insurance policy details, which is again put this in format. Then comes bank account and saving, current PPF, all these account details.
Yeah.
Client ID, password, remarks, everything. Yeah, this is important. Any comments on this area? Anybody?
Yeah.
Like,
So yeah, I think this client ID and password and all these things should be there for others also. I think, say for example, for Aadhaar also you have got a user ID password. For a lot of things you have got user ID passwords. So I
Yeah,
think
there are a lot of passwords that we use on daily basis.
Can I put a suggestion? This is what I have made. This is what is incomplete in this personal black box at the moment. That we have so many apps in our mobile, so many things that we required a client ID and a password. So I think that one page can be added, wherein we can just put what is the name of the app, what is the client ID, and what is the password.
But if we do this, then there should be some way of encrypting this, because if there is any hacking of the desktop or something, then at least there should be some sort of encryption, and that encryption should be shared only with the loved ones, not no one else, because encryption, data going wide, having a virus attack and all. And there's then hacking of the system are very real security issues. So there should be
my suggestion for this is that it should not be entered anywhere in the desktop or the laptop. It should be a printed book. It should be a proper, maybe a workbook or something like a proper book, which is kept at a safe place, informed to our loved ones. And maybe yearly or half yearly, we should take a review call, because many times the password and all these things change. So every time that happens, we need to take a review for that.
Yes, that is a good way to do it. I personally also have done it that way. The password and the user IDs are written and kept separately, and my wife knows where it is. The practical aspect of it, that encryption, and good point.
But the only risk in that is all of it is in a physical location, and if God forbid something happens to the physical location, then we have lost all the access. The cloud access gives us that kind of security that if something, God forbid, happens to the physical location in terms of any danger like cyclone or fire or that thing, then we lose everything. So there should be some sort of a backup also, like some sort of a cloud backup where only our trusted loved ones have that access. So that kind of
I think
hacking can be done in cloud also.
Well, I think, storing the password should be, this is a personal choice. Where do you want to do it?
Exactly. Yeah, let's
something that we should discuss. We should discuss what additional that we should be adding over here. I mean, if we can think about something else, I mean, this is something which is going to be very personal. Few people will not be very tech savvy. Then people will say that we don't know how to use the cloud, right? So, I mean, this is something that we can avoid, I think.
Yes, that's a good point, and we can leave it for a debate later, maybe.
Do we
hi,
need
Harry.
checkbook accounts over here to be added?
Sorry.
I'm sorry. I was thinking, do we need checkbook details also to be added, like documentation, passbook, checkbook, where is it? Do we need that? I don't know.
It's already there in the document details.
Okay.
Ideally we should.
Okay.
Ideally we should,
And I think what will eventually happen is it will be the personal choice of, I mean, there will be a complete template. A person can choose to add what he wants to add. For example, if you have the space to add a document detail, but if you wish not to, you can choose not to. I mean, we can make it that way.
Cool.
Yeah. I had one point on the bank accounts and all that. I was seeing one of the documents that another freedom seeker shared. They have all the accounts and the amounts in the accounts.
Amount is going to be a dynamic thing.
Yeah, correct. So this template, what they have got is what at the end of, say, every month, like we do a update to Manoj in our portal. What is your total asset? What is your total liability? At the end of your black box, we should have, okay, when I go today or as of today, you have a total asset of 1 crore and a liability of 50 lakhs. And your 1 crore is kept at all these places.
Yeah, your net worth, like a paper to show your net worth.
Yeah.
So maybe a link to Manoj also we can add.
Yeah, so that's basically just user ID, password to Mono's site. I think all the details are
Correct.
there.
Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
All the details.
Correct.
And most importantly, we should also add the password of mobile phone and our mail ID. These two are most critical because this is where generally we keep most of our and store our information.
Good point.
Well,
Password of
Manoj's portal is a fantastic place to look at things. We definitely need to add that here.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. That has to be done. So
Yeah,
Nitin, one of the
we can share the password of that Manoj site also with the
yeah,
spouse.
yeah.
Yeah,
That
yeah,
will
we
be more
should
helpful.
store it in
Ready,
this. Yeah.
yeah, ready-made handy for spouses. Yeah.
Okay, let's continue.
Yes. So next page. These are all bank account only. Then comes the fixed deposit. Yeah, again the asset section. FDs, RDs,
Yeah.
and CDs. This part. Anybody want to talk about here?
I think the format is very well structured and very crisp. Thanks to Dr. Rahul. So this is the format we can, how much tweaking we need on the format we can see. But if you ask me, like I used to sell insurance almost 8-9 years back, and I've seen this kind of a situation where claims, when I used to go and visit somebody to give the claim check, there were situations where the customer has not shared the details with spouse or children and all. So we came up with a format like one which was shared by HDFC Standard Life in our group, similar kind of format. So I think the format is good. As we are talking about this, I think Dr. Rahul was suggesting about this book. If you visit a lawyer, I have lawyers will always say that you need to have it in a physical format. So have it in a physical format, 1 or 2 copy. One you can keep in your locker, your bank locker or on your personal locker, and you can give it to your spouse, so she knows where it is or he knows where it is. So cloud, somebody was saying cloud can be hacked. It is a proven thing that it can be hacked. Even if we are keeping it in a digital format, please have physical format. This is my request out of my experience, whatever I have seen. And the format, I think, is very crisp. 1 or 2 points Venkat has asked me, so that I will. I also have an Excel format. I'll share that with all of you.
Yeah,
Sure.
I
By the
also
way,
tried
Manoj
one
sir's
Excel
website
format.
also can be hacked.
Yeah. Anything can be hacked.
Yes, of course.
So anything which is online can be hacked in today's world.
Yes.
So it is not secure. So it is better to
But
have
we
both
don't
the
have
options.
passwords in that. That is the only good point. They
Yeah.
will let
Password
all
you
the
should not put
asset
in
values
the
only.
cloud or online site. No, password you should not put.
Okay.
Remaining all info you can put. Amount details you can put. Hackers can't do only by seeing the amount. But password is the crucial one. But that you can store in a physical way.
Yeah.
As the
Okay.
suggestion came from Sanjay, right? That is a good idea for all the password. You should store in a physical way only.
Yeah. And one more thing, because I work with a financial services company, your SMS, whatever SMS you get in a financial services company, we are able to see when a person's salary is getting credited, when a person's bank account, if you have withdrawn money. So there are softwares which do that, which will give you data. Of course, we have to sign an NDA with RBI and other regulators in India. But I don't know how. So be extremely careful with online. That I'm trying to say. My credit heads, the chief risk officers in my organization, they almost have all the details of every credit card is used on this planet. So they are able to track customer behavior and all these things. So
This reminds me,
trying
can
to-
we actually add credit card also details over here, which I think we don't have.
I
No,
think
you
they're
have to
further
add,
down.
Sneha, yes.
I
Is
think
there?
they're further
Okay.
down. Yes. I think what we'll do, people, is we have got 10 minutes left on the free call. We can of course extend it, but at least let's go through the first pass of the document.
Yes.
The points that come up from this meeting could be for a follow-up with specific points. Internet security, for example, is a point that is being brought up. We can come to it later. Venkat,
Yes, Harry.
does
Yeah.
that sound okay for you to proceed? Yeah.
Yeah. So one more
Okay.
thing actually before proceeding, right? All this format is currently in Word document. Okay. Can
Yeah.
we convert into Google Sheet so that others
Yes.
can also add their feedback or whatever the changes, right? So one
Perfect.
common Google Sheet, somebody can create it. So we all will
Yeah.
put together and add the pointers in the
Okay.
same
Who?
way. Same way.
Yes. Good point.
I
Who
can
is
do
taking
that.
ownership? Okay, Prachi, you're taking ownership to
I will
create
do
this
that.
into
Yeah.
okay Google Docs.
Yeah, but Prachi, then you have to share the link with us, and then
Sure. I will. I would need the email IDs of everyone then.
Yeah.
I will
we'll
give you
post
the
it in
email
the-
address. I have got all the email IDs. I will share it with you on an Excel sheet. I hope everyone is okay with that.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very much, sir. Yes.
Sure,
Okay.
Harry.
Thank you.
I
Okay.
will share the link after making this.
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay.
Let's
Okay.
move on. Yeah, Prachi, you were telling something.
No, so I said I will share the link after
That can
creating
be
it
done
in
without the email ID
Google
also. You can go to Google Drive and go on to the setting and choose open to all and share the link.
Yeah.
Just
So as Harry said, we'll just look into the format first. This is good.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Venkat.
yeah.
Yeah, I'll proceed further. So these are all about FDs and RDs. Then comes post office investment and NSS certificate. Again, further investment types only.
Yes.
Then comes the mutual funds details
Yes.
Yeah.
and real estate investments. And this is NPS.
NPS.
And again, the liability section comes here, loans.
Yeah.
Yes.
So what type of loans we have? Again, ATM card details. This is also crucial, I guess.
Yeah. ATM
Yes.
card. Sneha, ATM debit and credit card. Here it is.
Cool.
Yeah, again, storing CVV number, again, we have to tackle differently.
Yes.
True.
That could be physical format again. The demat account details,
Yes.
electricity
Very
details.
comprehensive.
Can you go above on the Demat account, please? Just a quick look.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is how it looks.
Yeah, we might have to add the link, like where can somebody log in if it's an online portal.
Yeah, and also the contract notes, whatever we get, no, of stock trading and all, we should save it so that if somebody wants to see it, and see it.
Okay.
This
Sorry,
format is
Sanjay,
good.
I lost. Sorry, Sanjay, I couldn't hear the last sentence. Can you please repeat that?
Yeah. So there is contract notes we get, no, after every trading that you do, there is a contract note that comes from the broker.
Okay.
A is that we should check the contract note after every trade that we have done, and B is that to save the contract note at least for 12 months for that particular financial year. So that the folder where you're saving, you should tell your spouse about that. I have shared that with my wife. In fact, it goes to her email ID as well. So because
Okay.
I have worked with a broking firm. So one more thing, your Demat account, please have it. If you're married, then have it with your spouse, so that it is not a challenge. If something happens to me, she has the equal ownership of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, Venkat, please proceed.
Yeah. Next part is electricity details.
Yes.
The cylinder, LPG, pipeline. I think that's it. We are at the end of that 29th page.
Perfect. So does someone just want to summarize what we have gone through in the last 35 minutes? 36 minutes? Nitin, I think you could be doing that. Yeah.
Nitin was the scribe.
Yes, he was.
I have a suggestion.
Yeah, please go ahead.
This is the book which inspired me in preparing this personal black box. I'll read the name of the book. It is How to Be Your Financial Planner in 10 Steps by Manish Chavan. It's a very comprehensive book, and there's the aspect of black box which is given in this book. Nothing mentioned as such. Sorry, it is mentioned as a personal black box, but all these details I have done it thinking my own thing. So I think if everybody can go through this book, you will be able to add a lot of insights into what we can be actually doing with this particular thing that we are planning to do.
Okay.
Perfect.
Agreed.
Perfect. Absolutely fantastic. Thank you, Rahul.
Thank you, Dr. Rao.
Yeah, Nitin.
Yeah, so I'll quickly go through that. So the document which Dr. Rahul shared is quite comprehensive and a good one. So mostly there are not much comments on that. We have to have a look. Everyone has to have a look and do the inputs in that. And post that, one of the initial suggestion was if we pass away or someone, our loved ones won't be that much tech savvy, so we can add a YouTube link or web link, how exactly to take out the money or the asset for that particular, like if it is for mutual fund or it's for share market, stocks or something. We have to put a web link or proper instruction how exactly they can take the money from it. That is one of the initial comment. And for saving passwords and all those details, user ID and all, we should not keep it in an online manner or soft copy. Better to keep a book, and in which we have to keep a revision within 3 months or something, so that if we update also password or user ID, we have to update there, and we can share it with our nominees or dependent. And post that. And some I missed one point where somebody has to do some action item was given to someone, and she has to come back with that update.
Prachi.
So that
Prachi.
Yeah, converting this into Google Sheet.
Yeah.
Let me type that also.
And Nitin, you can share the comments as a Word document, maybe on the same Google Drive or something that we are making.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be great.
I think that was that for today. I hope. Yeah. Please continue, Nitin. If you have few more points.
That's it.
That's it. Okay.
And the final point was what Dr. Rahul mentioned, the book name I have mentioned here, How to Be a Financial Planner in 10 Steps by Manish John. Everyone, if have time, they can go through it, and it will give them a good idea and pointers how to plan it in a better way.
Right. And before we end, what are the suggestions for the next review call? Manoj wanted to see what we have done on 11th of June. So I think we can share the Google Sheet that we have. But what should be our plan of action for our next call, and what are we going to look at when we meet again?
So 11th is next Thursday, right? Probably we need to meet one more time.
One more time. Yeah.
Before that, probably 10th or 9th, whenever. Once that Google Sheet is ready, right? Quickly, all of us will review and we'll update that.
Okay.
Yes.
We have to meet one more time, probably before that review meeting. Yes.
Does 10th sound okay to you all? 10th of June?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. Perfect.
Same time?
10th is okay, but Harry, can we keep the review on weekend? Weekdays is quite tough for me to attend.
Yeah. So the weekend would be after 11th, then it will be 13th.
Yeah, 13th, 14th, any day is okay with me.
Okay, we can do one thing. Some of us who can meet to review the sheet before that, let's have a look at the sheet on 10th.
Okay.
Sure.
Because 11th
can
we
try
have
and
to send it to, we have to send it to Manoj, so we can at least have a go through and then send a link to him.
Yes.
Does that sound okay to the rest of the
That sounds
people?
good.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay, I'll stop sharing. Okay. I think
Okay,
we are done. Okay.
Thank you, Venkat. Grateful to you.
Yes. Real
Welcome.
appreciation to everyone who joined and commented and added through their participation. I really appreciate. Thank you so much.
Yeah, we'll meet again.
Now the floor is open. Till the time the call gets disconnected, we can talk. It's an open floor.
How, I mean, I said that 21 is a magical number. How we have connected, it's really grateful. I mean, amazing. This is absolutely an amazing experience, and something which will come out will be really robust, and it will be helpful not only for us, but for many.
Yeah.
People.
That's my prayer as well.
So
Really useful insights. I'm glad to be a part of this elite group. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And just to share with everyone that I have gone through the pain of when my husband expired. I have gone through the pain of exploring all these documents, passwords, and policies. So, post that, I started creating a format for myself and using it on daily basis. So, Manoj's portal was a great thing to happen to me, and I think today's meeting is awesome. Wonderful to be a part of this group, and we shall come up with a great format. I'm confident about that.
Thank you. Thank you. Then, if that's all, we can call it a day and have a great weekend, people. Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. Have a great
Thank you.
weekend.
Thank you.
Everyone
Thank you.
have a great
Bye.
weekend.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
everyone. Bye.
Perfect.